Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, Workstation Stretches. Now, don't forget, if you enjoy the content I bring to you on a weekly basis, hit that subscribe button. I produce a lot of content to help people out there suffering with lower back pain problems, upper back, mid back. So if you do enjoy that content, hit that button and you'll be notified when I upload something new for you. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So folks, today I'm going to go over some workstation stretches. Now, post-pandemic, there's been a big change in how we work. A lot of us are working at home. We got a workstation at home, our desk, etc. And we are generally a more service-based industry nowadays. People are working at desks. And a lot of times people crop up with a lot of mid-back pain within the shoulder blades, neck pain as well, because they're sitting basically too long at their workstation. Now, if you want to set up your workstation correctly, I do have a separate video on that. That's going to pop up at the end of this one, which will show you the correct way to set up your workstation, either at home or in the office. So stay to the end of this video and you can check that one out. Now, I generally focus a lot on lower back pain, but I work with other clients who also have cervical pain and mid-back pain as well. And quite often you'll see people with two of the same conditions. Today we're going to specifically look at some stretches, some movements you can do to help alleviate that mid-back pain, sometimes neck pain, what you can get when you're working at your workstation. So the first one we're going to do is just a very gentle cervical neck extension exercise combined with a stretch for the front part of the shoulders. So you can do this at your desk, at your chair, or you can do it standing. We'll just do it here. I'm going to turn sideways. All I want you guys to do is put the hands behind you here, pull your shoulders back, lift up a little bit, and let your head go back into extension. Hold that for a few seconds, and then relax the arms. Let the head come down, chin to the chest, and reach back, pull the shoulders back, head up. And you want to do about 10 to 15 of these. Okay, we'll just do about 5 here today. Stretch back. Then you will notice that my cervical extension is not great. I do have damaged cervical vertebra. I don't have as much extension as most healthy people. That's what happens when you fall off a mountain bike coming downhill and land on your head. I wouldn't advise that for anybody to do. So we'll just do one more of these. Chin to the chest, arms back, take hold of them, stretch back, hold. 3, 4, 5. Good stuff, okay? Now we're going to move into what's called a cat camel. It's got different names. For this, we'll just do it on the floor. I'll just move away my pretend chair here. And if you want to get down on all fours, you can do this at the office, okay? People might look at you funny, but it is for your benefit, okay? So we're down here, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. And all we're going to do, very gently, is we're going to drop the chin to the chest and then round your spine over, okay? Don't quite go to your maximum, just get a nice stretch to the upper lower back area. Chin down, and then slowly reverse that. So we're going to extend the spine, extend your head back, hold that for a second, and then gently go back again. Chin to the chest, round the spine. Again, my arms are straight, I'm not bending my elbows. Very gentle movements. And you do 10 to 15 of these, and take a small break. Now, I also want to wake up what's called the rhomboid muscles. These are muscles which help pull our shoulders back, pull our shoulder blades together. And when we're down here on the floor, we can do a very simple exercise called a scapula push-up. And I don't normally wear these kind of tops, but I wore this one today just so you can see my shoulders moving better on camera. So we'd go back into the same position as the cat camel. We're here on all fours. And what we're going to do, we want to think of the chest going towards the floor, but not bending my elbows. So I let my chest sink to the floor. I'll feel my shoulder blades getting squeezed together. And then I want to project my upper back to the ceiling. So I come through, like so. And then I go to the floor. See my elbows, they don't bend, okay? The arms stay straight. So I open my shoulder blades. I bring them together when I drop down. I push away from the floor. Shoulder blades open. Down to the floor, shoulder blades squeeze together. That's all you do. Won't feel like much, but it's a nice mobilization, muscle wake-up exercise, if you want to call it that, for those muscles between your shoulder blades. Now, you can also do it standing, okay? And I'll just use the wall here for you. And again, you just walk up to the wall, Put your hands on the wall. And again, we're just going to let our chest fall towards the wall. You see my shoulder blades come closer together. And then push away from the wall, shoulder blades open. Shoulder blades come together when I fall to the wall, shoulder blades open. They show you from the side. So basically, as I go towards the wall, arms come back, shoulder blades together. As I push away, I round my back with shoulder blades open. But again, my arms stay completely straight. Okay, just one more time. So I'm here on the wall. I bring my chest to the wall, shoulder blades together, and away, shoulder blades together, and away. Again, 10 to 15 is perfect. Last one we're going to do, you can do this again, sitting against the wall or standing. It's called a wall slide. I want you to put the back of your elbow, back of your hand on the wall, like so. And you're going to slide them up gently, keeping your elbow, if you can, back of the hand up above your head, touch your fingers, and come back down. Again, keeping the back of the elbow on the wall, back of the hand. You may feel it trying to pull off. Try your best to keep it together. Okay, keep it on the wall. If it pops off, it's not a problem. Okay, you've not done anything wrong. Just a bit more work in mobility and flexibility. Just riding up and down the wall 10 to 15 times and relax. Whole thing should take you around about 5-7 minutes or so to do. You can get up at your office, take a break when you do it, lunchtime, when you go home at night. It'll help to relieve some of that stress and tension off that mid-back area, okay? So guys, listen, 4 really simple techniques you can use for mid-back, upper back pain problems. Any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. And don't forget that other video popping up very soon about setting up your workstation. Okay guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.